Okay, good morning. Welcome to
GreatMath number 135.
GreatMath135. So, we just watched a video. What was it about?
How you could cut a triangle out with one cut.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. Did you like it?
Yeah.
Alright, so let's make a triangle and we're going to see if we can follow the procedure from the video to cut it out with one cut. Okay, so actually, I'll just draw the first side however you want. Alright, and then I'll make the next side going over this way. Actually, I'm going to make it just a little bigger angle, okay? Alright, and so make it a little bigger, just because it'll show up better on camera if it's just slightly bigger. A little bigger? A little bigger? There you go. And down here. Okay. We got ourselves a pretty nice little triangle. What was the procedure for cutting out a triangle? What did you do?
So we had to make the angle bisectors and some perpendiculars coming down.
Okay, good. How do we make angle bisectors?
So we have to measure the angle and then cut it in half.
Okay.
So this angle looks like it's about 62 degrees. 62, 63.
Alright.
And then
Why don't you grab that blue?
in half from there is 31 degrees.
Alright. Okay, and then you can just draw it in. And why don't you extend that line all the way past the triangle? Okay, good. Alright, what's next?
So then we are going to make this one up here. Let's see. 70. It's about 72.
Alright, so it's half of that.
36 degrees.
Okay. Oops, did I got that? Alright, go ahead. And extend it a little bit past the triangle on both sides. Okay, good. And what now?
And now, well, I don't think we need to do the last one
Why not?
because it'll just intersect in the center
Okay.
too, so.
Wait. Okay. Great. Alright, and what now? What do we do now?
So we have to make the perpendiculars down from this center point on all of the, with all of the angle bisectors.
Alright.
So, dropping down. That looks 80 degrees.
Okay.
Looks about 90 degrees, and then and then the last one.
Alright,
So-
awesome.
Now we've made the perpendiculars.
Okay, so what did we need to do next?
So now we need to make the points where the angle bisectors came down. The perpendiculars came down
Alright.
onto the triangle's edge. We needed them to all touch.
We needed those to all touch. Okay. So that's a tricky fold, but let's see if you can do it.
So that, pinched it like this. So I need to fold on this angle. And they come together. That.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if those really came together well. Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, so go ahead and crease it. Alright, and what do you notice when those come together?
Well, this line is almost lined up.
Yeah.
On there.
Why would that line up on that?
Well, because the two perpendiculars to the center are coming together, so this line comes over and hits that line.
Alright, and what line are we ended up folding across to make those two things hit?
Well, this angle bisector for this side.
Yeah, folds right on the angle bisector, and so the two sides really should meet. In fact, they really should meet. So.
And
Okay.
so once
you've made that fold.
So we need to touch the third angle bisector. So and they came down kind of like this. Touch.
Well, whoa! Before you crease.
But we have that line there.
Okay. So what line should we be folding on? What are the other points that have to touch?
Wait, these two. This one.
Okay. So where are you going to fold to make that touch that?
So kind of this way.
Okay. And what's going to happen when you
So
do that?
we need to fold on this this angle bisector.
Okay. There you go. So why don't you make that fold?
On the angle bisector.
Is that it? Don't crease until you know you got it.
Oh, that's very close.
Okay. You happy?
Yeah.
Okay, now remember we said these two lines need to be on top of each other. So it's just a little bit more over.
That.
Okay. Alright, good.
Okay. And then we also want this point to touch.
Yeah, and so what line are you going to fold across there?
This.
Okay. And what's going to happen?
These two are going to touch.
Yeah, those two sides are going to be on top of each other. So you can see the lines
there.
when they go on top of each other. Alright. Okay. So now that we've got those folds, maybe it'll be easier to pinch it.
Pinch it together. This. Okay, like that. And then it drops down onto there. Like it gets so it drops.
Is that right?
No, because you can see this line here. What we have, they look like they're all on top of each other.
Yeah. What's this line here?
Well, we need all the sides of the triangle to be on top of each other.
Yeah. So why don't we bring those two together up here?
This.
Yeah. And now fold in along the angle bisectors. We already made those folds, so there's that one.
So like that.
There you go.
We bring it down, and then we have one line.
Now we have one line, pretty close to one line.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Yeah. It's pretty close to a triangle. The triangle that we made.
Look at that. How cool is that?
Wow.
Pretty neat, huh?
Yeah.
High five.